Welcome to Hard Chrome Solution, your foremost specialist in Krauss Maffei Gearbox service and repair. As a recognized leader in our field, we offer an unparalleled combination of in-house expertise, capabilities, and customer-focused dedication. At Hard Chrome Solution, our technicians have mastered the complex craft of custom gear cutting and gear grinding. We employ precision tools and methodologies to ensure our repairs meet the highest industry standards, guaranteeing optimal performance and longevity of your gearboxes. Through superior hard chrome plating, we enhance the durability and resistance of your gearboxes. Our line boring services provide meticulous realignment and resizing of gearbox bores, ensuring smooth operation and reduced wear and tear. Our large turning and machining capabilities set us apart from the competition. With a keen focus on precision, we perform large-scale repairs, handling every make and brand of gearboxes with finesse and expertise. Our expansive 60,000 square foot facility is home to the industry's largest stockroom. We carry gears, shafts, bushings, sleeves, and thrust bearings for most brands used in the industry. We ensure your gearbox repairs are expedited with our extensive parts inventory. With 4 strategic locations in New Jersey, Florida, Texas, Illinois, and Nevada, we provide world-class support to our customers. We stand behind every repair with an industry-leading 36-month guarantee on every installation from date of installation. Like many OEMs, trust us to keep your gearboxes, a critical line in your industry, running efficiently. Our team is available around the clock, every day, to support your operational needs. Repairing high-end, high-cost gearboxes requires a particular set of skills and deep understanding of their complex mechanisms. Our teams are highly trained in every twin-screw extruder gearbox for brands like Coperion, List-Eyes, Krauss Maffei, Flender, Henschel, Maplin, Kissling, and Rank. We take immense pride in the quality of our rebuilds. Our commitment is to ensure every repair returns to the customer exceeding their expectations, providing long-term, efficient gearbox operations. We invite you to tour our massive facilities and witness firsthand what we can achieve under one roof. Our capabilities far exceed those of so-called gearbox shops listed on Google. Our excellence, dedication, and customer satisfaction make us the trusted choice for your high-cost, high-demand gearbox repairs. Your decision to trust Hard Chrome Solution with your gearbox repairs is a choice for quality, efficiency, and peace of mind. We are here, ready to deliver the best service and support in the industry. Because at Hard Chrome Solution, your operational success is our highest priority. Contact us now, as our shop is open 24/7, 365 days a year, to help you with any size and brand of gearbox. Get in touch with us today at 732-895-3225 or visit our website at hardchromesolution.com.